We savor the juicy segments of oranges, delighting in their refreshing burst of flavor with every bite. The sweet and tangy taste dances on our tongues, bringing a moment of pure joy. Lemons, with their sharp zest, and grapefruits, with their bittersweet allure, add a unique twist to our culinary experiences. These fruits are not just delicious, they are a staple in our kitchens, enhancing the flavors of our dishes and beverages. We relish their tangy sweetness, whether it's a refreshing lemonade on a hot day or a zesty addition to our salads. The vibrant colors and invigorating scents of citrus fruits make them a favorite among many. But what about their peels? Often overlooked and discarded, these peels hold secrets that many of us are unaware of. Often discarded, citrus peels are a hidden treasure trove of flavor and nutrition. These colorful rinds are packed with essential oils and nutrients that can transform our health and culinary creations. These vibrant, aromatic rinds hold the key to a world of health benefits, waiting to be unlocked. From their potent antioxidants to their rich fiber content, citrus peels are a powerhouse of wellness. From boosting our immune system with their high vitamin C content to adding a burst of flavor to our favorite dishes, citrus peels are incredibly versatile. They can potentially extend our lifespan by promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even aiding in weight management. The benefits are vast and varied. Citrus peels offer a wealth of possibilities. They can be used in teas, desserts, and savory dishes, or even as natural cleaning agents. The options are endless. Let's delve into the science behind these humble yet powerful gifts from nature. Researchers are uncovering the complex chemistry of citrus peels, revealing their potential to fight diseases and improve overall health. Citrus peels are more than just a tough outer layer. They are a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and unique phytochemicals that can significantly benefit our health. They are a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that can significantly benefit our health. These include flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and unique compounds that can significantly benefit our health. Incorporating citrus zest into our meals can enhance flavor while providing these health-boosting nutrients. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have recognized the therapeutic potential of citrus peels. Ancient texts and practices have long utilized these peels for their healing properties. Now, modern science is catching up, revealing the impressive array of bioactive compounds packed into these often discarded rinds. Studies are showing their potential in preventing chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Join us as we explore the remarkable world of citrus peels. Discover how these vibrant rinds can be incorporated into your daily routine, from culinary uses to health supplements, and discover how they can help us live longer, healthier lives. Embrace the hidden treasure of citrus peels and unlock their full potential for a vibrant, healthful life. Citrus peels are packed with an impressive array of nutrients. They are particularly rich in flavonoids, a group of powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules linked to aging and chronic diseases. Among the notable flavonoids found in citrus peels are hesperidin and naringin. Hesperidin, found abundantly in oranges and other citrus fruits, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering effects. Naringin, primarily found in grapefruit, exhibits similar properties. It also aids in regulating blood sugar levels and may offer protection against certain types of cancer. Beyond flavonoids, citrus peels contain other valuable compounds. These include essential oils, which contribute to their characteristic aroma and possess antibacterial and antifungal properties. Citrus peels are also a good source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and can help regulate cholesterol levels. Recent scientific research has begun to unravel the numerous health benefits of citrus peels. Studies have shown that citrus peel extracts can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The flavonoids in citrus peels play a key role in this effect. They help reduce the production of LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, while increasing the levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Furthermore, citrus peel extracts have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, citrus peels can help protect against these conditions. Emerging research also suggests that citrus peel extracts may have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that they can inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells, including breast cancer, lung cancer, and colon cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind these effects, the potential of citrus peels in cancer prevention is promising. Can citrus peels actually help us live longer? It's a question that might seem surprising at first, but when you delve into the science behind these zesty rinds, the answer becomes quite compelling. While there's no magic fountain of youth, the wealth of health benefits offered by citrus peels certainly contributes to a longer, healthier life. These often overlooked parts of the fruit are packed with nutrients and compounds that can have a profound impact on our health. By reducing inflammation, protecting against heart disease, and potentially even preventing cancer, citrus peels address some of the leading causes of death worldwide. The flavonoids and antioxidants found in the peels work to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases. But their longevity-boosting potential doesn't stop there. Citrus peels also contain pectin, a type of fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels and improve gut health, both of which are crucial for maintaining overall well-being as we age. Citrus peels are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cellular damage. This essential vitamin plays a key role in the production of collagen, which is vital for skin health and wound healing. A strong immune system is crucial for fighting off infections and diseases, which become more prevalent as we age. By incorporating citrus peels into our diet, we can give our immune system the boost it needs to keep us healthy and resilient. Moreover, citrus peels contain small amounts of minerals like potassium and calcium, both essential for maintaining bone health and preventing osteoporosis, a common concern as we get older. These minerals help to keep our bones strong and reduce the risk of fractures. By incorporating citrus peels into our diet, we provide our bodies with a potent blend of nutrients that support overall health and well-being, setting the stage for a longer, more vibrant life. Whether you add them to your smoothies, salads, or even use them as a zest in your cooking, the benefits are undeniable. So next time you enjoy a citrus fruit, don't throw away the peel. It might just be the key to a healthier, longer life. Incorporating citrus peels into your diet doesn't require elaborate recipes or complicated techniques. In fact, it's quite simple and can be done in a variety of ways that enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Start by simply zesting citrus peels into your dishes. The zest, which is the outermost layer of the peel, is packed with essential oils that provide a burst of fresh, tangy flavor. A little bit of citrus zest adds a burst of flavor to salads, soups, sauces, and even desserts. Imagine a fresh green salad with a sprinkle of lemon zest, or a creamy soup with a hint of orange zest. The possibilities are endless. Grating the outer layer of the peel, avoiding the bitter white pith, releases the fragrant oils and essential nutrients. These oils are not only aromatic but also contain antioxidants and vitamins that are beneficial for your health. Another easy way to enjoy the benefits of citrus peels is by making citrus-infused water. This is a refreshing and hydrating drink that can be enjoyed throughout the day. Add slices of citrus fruits, including the peel, to a pitcher of water and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. The longer it sits, the more flavorful the water becomes. The water will absorb the refreshing flavor and nutrients from the peels. This is a great way to stay hydrated while also getting a dose of vitamins and antioxidants. Citrus peels also lend themselves well to baking. The zest can be added to a variety of baked goods to enhance their flavor and aroma. Add grated citrus zest to cookies, cakes, muffins, and bread for a citrusy aroma and a nutritional boost. The zest not only adds flavor, but also provides a beautiful natural color to your baked goods. For a warm and comforting drink, try making citrus peel tea. This is a simple and soothing beverage that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Simply steep citrus peels in hot water for a few minutes, strain, and enjoy. The tea will have a light, refreshing flavor with a hint of citrus. You can experiment with different combinations of citrus peels, such as orange and ginger or lemon and mint, to create your own unique flavor profiles. This allows you to customize your tea to your taste preferences and enjoy a variety of flavors. Another delightful way to use citrus peels is by making candied citrus peels. This is a sweet treat that can be enjoyed on its own or used as a garnish for desserts. To make candied citrus peels, simply boil the peels in a sugar syrup until they become translucent, then let them dry. The result is a chewy, sweet, and tangy treat that is perfect for snacking or decorating baked goods. You can also make citrus peel powder by drying the peels and grinding them into a fine powder. This powder can be used as a seasoning for a variety of dishes. Sprinkle the powder on roasted vegetables, add it to spice blends, or use it to season meats and fish. The powder adds a concentrated citrus flavor that enhances the taste of your dishes. Another creative way to use citrus peels is by making citrus peel vinegar. This is a versatile ingredient that can be used in salad dressings, marinades, and sauces. To make citrus peel vinegar, simply steep the peels in vinegar for a few weeks. The vinegar will absorb the citrus flavor and can be used to add a tangy, refreshing taste to your dishes. Finally, you can make citrus peel salt by mixing dried citrus peel with sea salt. This is a flavorful seasoning that can be used to enhance a variety of dishes. Sprinkle the citrus peel salt on grilled fish, add it to salads, or use it to season roasted vegetables. The salt adds a burst of citrus flavor that complements the natural flavors of your food. Incorporating citrus peels into your diet is a simple and delicious way to enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. With these easy and creative ideas, you can enjoy the benefits of citrus peels in a variety of ways.